I had some severe back pain. Okay, I had been to one very good hospital, like you can say 5-star hospital, and then after my MRI and X-rays and all, the doctor said you have to do the operation for that. You have to undergo the
My God, you
surgery.
didn't have it?
No, I didn't
Good
have.
that you didn't
Yeah,
have it.
yeah.
Otherwise, you would have been in bed now.
Yeah. So, and he said he had given me that 8 hours operation and all. But I went to some another person, like, and then I just wanted to find out, like second opinion. And then he asked me to do certain exercises. I have done that. And then he said, no need, okay, of doing any
Another
operation.
doctor or the same
Yeah.
doctor?
No, another doctor.
He's a
Another
good
doctor,
doctor.
yeah.
He is a
Another
good.
5-star hospital.
He is a
I
good
have been.
doctor.
Very good doctor.
Yeah.
He was the spine surgeon there and the last authority, it seems. So somebody had given me that reference and I had been there. So, and again, this year, some problem I had gone to another regular orthopedics doctor, not to the you can say that so-called
Third doctor.
the
Third
third
doctor.
doctor. Okay, and that third doctor also said no need of operation. How can that person, that doctor had suggested this? Okay, so this is the story. Now I just want to know that since you are such a great person, I just
No,
want to
no, no.
know.
I am a human
No,
being.
no, sir. Can a patient has got that right to ask before sleeping on the operation table? That I just want to know that exactly what had happened. Is any rule is there in your medical ethics or in our law system? I just want to know, because this had happened for many people, even angiography, angioplasty. So many people, they are suffering through this. As you said, medicine is nothing but business. So as a common people, rather human beings, do we have any that kind of system that we can just go and find out whether this operation is needed, whether really there is a blockage, or again will flow in the stream? I really want to
It's a
find
good
out the answer.
question.
Yeah.
I'll give you a very simple solution
Yeah.
as a patient. Number one, never submit yourself to surgery on one opinion.
Okay.
Take a second opinion. Because medicine you can take. If something goes wrong, you can survive. But surgery, if supposing they had operated on your back, you would have lost your power in the limbs permanently.
Yeah.
I have a doctor who went for this kind of a surgery, because I always say never go for back surgery. And he's completely paralyzed now. He's in bed. And poor chap has no wife also, so he's in real trouble. He was my old student, but he's in real deep trouble now. Now, the other thing I would like to say, when you have a backache, never see a doctor. See a physiotherapist. He will cure you with simple physiotherapy. I'll give you an example. I had a patient in Chennai who came to see me with the backache. I said, this man requires a physiotherapist. I called the physiotherapist and said, examine him. He came back and told me, sir, I told him to remove his thick purse from his back pocket. His pain is gone, sir. If you have a thick purse at the back, when you sit, it presses on your sciatic nerve. So you get a back pain completely. And if the purse is removed, the pain gone. So you must have a sensible doctor.
Yes.
Never subject yourself to surgery, any kind of surgery, with one opinion. But they'll trick you. What they'll tell is, supposing you say, I don't want an angioplasty now, the surgery done, I'll go and take a second opinion. Say, I don't know, I can't guarantee. You go to the next place, you will die on the way. Which is all not true.
That's the thing.
Not true at all.
Yeah.
You can always take a second opinion.
So that's the psychology, no? Like we feel it is emergency, and then again we have been.
Amma,
cheated
if we
somewhere.
don't use the psychology, we can't make you a bakra of you.
Okay, yeah, that's also true.
I'll tell you, one of
Yeah.
my students, a
Yeah.
very good student of mine, passed his MD and joined a 5-star corporate hospital. One day he was seeing a patient in the OP. So he was trying to tell the patient something. Then the cardiac surgeon was passing by. So he called him, come out, I want to talk to you. He went out. He said, see, in a corporate hospital, this is not what you do. If you first, when the patient comes, find out who is funding him, whether he has insurance, whether he's got rich parents, whether he has a lot of money. In that case, you refer him to me. I will manage him. Supposing he doesn't have anything, then you give him whatever you do and send him off. It requires medicines only. So you have to intervene to make money. And we have to make a bakra of you by putting fear into your head, saying that your vessels are all blocked. I am happy that vessels are blocked. If somebody's vessels are blocked, he'll live long. I have a chap who came to me 40 years ago with all the 4 vessels blocked in the heart. But so much collaterals he had, his whole angiogram was looking like collaterals. So he came to me. I told him, you don't require anything. You forget about it. And you go home and enjoy life. But his children thought this village doctor doesn't know. So they were all in America. They took him to America. They took the same angiogram, took him to Mayo Clinic. The Mayo Clinic doctor saw that and said, ask your father to go home, have a peg of whiskey every night and enjoy life. And now he is 94. 94. He's still alive. 54 years later. Absolutely fine with all the vessels blocked. Nature is a great doctor. Nature does all the things. And backache for a woman should never go to a doctor. Backache is due to bad posture. Sit straight. All right. Don't slouch in the chair. That's what most of us do. Even I do that. My son says, you advise everybody, but you slouch in the chair.
Thank you.
Sings up, sat now. Sit straight up. Back straight. And when your back is straight, your back is no problem.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.